Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fit and Glow, and I Kriti Swami here to my weight loss journey with you. Rather, I will not be only sharing my journey with you, but I will also be with you on your weight loss journey. Okay, so please do not forget to hit like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started. There are certain things that you should always remember when you are on a weight loss journey. The journey for me, like I lost around 30 kgs in the period of 10 months. The journey was not very easy, though it was not a journey for me. I was a patient of PCOS for 6 to 7 years, and I was to the doctors, and every time gynae was considering for pregnancy, and they were just putting me on the hormones. Nothing was working, neither the pregnancy, or maybe you can say I do not want to get pregnant that time, as well as things were like I was getting so many acne, my skin got so dull, like there were so many problems. And then I think कि I have to do something. I tried all kind of treatment, though they worked for me. My periods got regular, but it was not like that. I was like my disease was getting cured. The scene was not like that, so there was a problem definitely. And then I went to an endocrinologist in Delhi, and he told my insulin levels were insanely high. So the range for the normal people, it like highest range is 9 for insulin in fasting. Mine was 27. So you can imagine, and I was like, I was lots are not going to lose weight, definitely you are going to lose your happy life. So he said you may have diabetes in coming future, and you will definitely have the gestational diabetes, the diabetes that we generally get in the pregnancy. And that was a eye-opening moment for me. I was like, I cannot be a person who is living with the diabetes. So that time I asked my doctor what can I do, and he said you do not require any medicine, just go and lose some weight. And I was like, this is the hardest thing that I can do. I can put on the weight as much as I can. You cannot believe, when I got married I was 21, I was 62 kgs, and within a span of 6-7 years I was 90 plus. And if you see me before and after, you will see a drastic change. My skin has changed totally, my confidence has boosted up. Though I do not shame any body type, and all body types are beautiful until it is not creating any health issue. And moreover, I support fitness because I have gone through the phase where people were bullying me. They were pinpointing me when I was walking on road. I was shattered sometime. I was so low in my confidence. My self-esteem was so down. So I do not want anyone to go through this journey that I have went. Yes, so there are some basic rules for the weight loss that I have followed. These rules are not like I'm not going to give you a particular diet plan today. It should be differ from person to person, but there is a set of basic rules that you can follow. And what are these rules? The first rule is stay hydrated. This is very important. Though many YouTubers are telling you, if you will go to different websites, they will also going to tell you stay hydrated. But why it is necessary? Because it does not allow the toxins to accumulate in your body. Because if you will drink a lot of water, what is going to happen? You're going to pee in every 1 hour, and definitely the toxins from your body will be removed. So the first thing, along with that, it also help in the proper digestion as well as for the glowy skin. Okay, so this is very important. Please always keep in mind, you have to drink a lot of water when your weight loss journey. I recommend this for the normal people also. So make sure you are drinking 3 to 4 liters water in a day. Now you can design, just make sure that you are not drinking water just after your meals. Okay, so you can have water just after waking up, then before half an hour before your breakfast, before your lunch, before your dinner, 1 and 1.5 after your meals you can have the water. And I personally do not recommend so much detox water and all, though sometimes you can use the detox water also, but if you will simply drink the water, yes, it can do the magic. Okay, so the first tip that you have to remember is stay hydrated. The second thing that is very important in the weight loss journey that I have felt in my journey, I have seen other people losing weight and they also followed this key rule. This is to eat right and to eat at right time. This is very important, and people are very misconceptions about this. They think if they will eat less, they will eat only twice in a day, they are going to lose weight. Definitely for a shorter span of time you may lose the weight, but for your whole life you cannot survive on the 2 meals. So definitely you have to do something which is sustainable for you, that you can follow for your whole life. For example, the eating pattern I follow or I'm following from the past 2 years is very easy, very filling all the time. I do not feel hungry, as well as it is sustainable. I can follow this pattern or this diet throughout my life. Now what do I mean by that? 5 meals are required. So you should have proper breakfast, you should have proper lunch, you should have proper dinner. Along with that, you should have 2 mid-morning, like 2 snacking, 1 mid-morning and 1 is evening snack. So minimum 5 meals are required if a person is on weight loss journey. Okay, now why it is important, like what I have learned, that your body, if you will eat a little bit in short span of time, it will keep your metabolism, it will not let your metabolism go down. Okay, and if your metabolism will be high, definitely you are going to lose the weight. So basically the weight loss is all about the calorie deficient. Okay, if you are eating less calories and if you are burning more calories, it is definitely going a journey of weight loss for you. Okay guys, so the things are quite simple. You have to eat at least 5 times in a day, and please make sure your dinner should be finished before 8 p.m. So when you are designing your meals, make sure that your dinner should be finished by 8 p.m. and in whole day you are having minimum 5 meals. That is very important. The next step for the weight loss is the portion control. Now this is the problem that people are having. They are saying ki we'll do the 5 meal plans, we'll drink the water, we'll do everything, but when they start eating they forget portion control. That is also equally important. Now why it is important? Because if you will not control your portion, you will be eating a lot calories and you won't be able to burn these calories. Exercise do not burn 1000 calories. You cannot burn 1000 calories by doing exercise in a day, but if you are eating a medium sized pizza, you can easily eat 1100 to somewhere 1400 calories. So eating calories is very easy, but when you start burning it, then you realize that this calorie game is insane, and you have to be very careful. I'm not against any food, I'm not against, like I love eating junk food, but I know I can't, and that's why I stop myself eating a lot of junk food. Like once in a month you are eating your favorite treat, your favorite food, that's fine, So this is the key rule. You have to control your portion. Now what is the meaning by the portion? Eating little less from your hunger. You can start like this way this will work. Like suppose you were eating 3 chapatis, or you are eating 2 bowls of rice. You can reduce it to 2 chapati or 1 bowl of rice. So that way you can control your calories, and calories will be it can be controlled in every food item, in your vegetable, but and you can increase the salad intake. Now what happens when salad intake will increase? You will have the lots of fiber. It will take time in digestion, and because of that you will be filled for a longer period. You do not feel hungry. And when do we eat these junks? When we are hungry. If I'm full, I will never, I never assume myself eating a packet of chips or a pizza or a burger until I'm hungry. If I'm hungry, definitely I cannot help myself. I want something beautiful. And for everyone, beautiful is the junk. Definitely it could be sweets, or it could be chocolate, or the junk food. So please take care of yourself. This is your body, this is your temple, and you have to worship your temple. So the third rule for the weight loss is to control your portion. The fourth rule for the weight loss is to control the sugar intake, because sugar will make you fat very easily. If you will eat a lot of sugar, you are definitely going to gain a weight. So suppose you are a tea person, or you are a coffee lover. So what you can do, like I'm a tea person as well as I'm a coffee lover. I drink 2 to 3 cups of tea in a day, and whenever I get chance I drink coffee. Like coffee is not in my usual general routine, but I love coffee when I go outside, or sometime when I'm down, I like to drink coffee. It could be black coffee, it could be milk coffee, it can be anything. But what you have to remember, cut sugar from your tea and coffee if you are a sugar and tea person. Now it will be difficult in the beginning, but from it is like 2 years I haven't drink sugar in my tea and coffee, and I absolutely hate sugar in these two. Earlier I used to drink tea with lots of sugar. So if you cannot cut completely, you can reduce the amount. That will also going to help you. Yes, along with that, what you can do, people have the fruit sweet cravings. A lot of time people have, they have the sweet tooth, and they cannot control their this sugar craving. So what you can do, you can eat a fruit. Okay, do not go for any diet, the sugar free sweet and all, because they are having, ultimately they are having the ghee in that, and that is your enemy for the weight gain, definitely. Yes. So what you have to do, you have to decrease the sugar intake. Okay, and if possible, stop eating the refined sugar, or you can eat once in a 10 days or 12 days when you feeling like I have to eat sugar anyhow. Yes, so this way you can easily cut your sugar intake, and this is definitely going to help you a lot, as it helped me. So I believe this is going to help you also. Yes, so these were the 4 basic rule. Now the 5th rule is that eat fresh food. Do not eat packaged food. Okay, avoid these, or I must say cut the packaged food from your life. They are just making you fat. If you are feeling eating like dosa, go and make dosa from the dal and chawal, or from the suji, but do not bring these things and make the dosas. Or if you are feeling like eating chips, make potato chips at your home. Do not eat the packaged food, because packaged food, they help a lot in the weight gain. So you have to take care of that. While you are on the weight loss journey, you have to take care of these things. So there are the 5 thumb rules that I have told you today, and if you are going to follow these thumb rules, you are definitely going to lose weight. Okay, I'm not saying it is happened with me. I have shared these ideas and few diet plans with my friends, and they have also lost the weight, or they are on the journey. So I may also help you also. So please, we are going to revise once again. The first rule is you have to stay hydrated. The second rule is you have to eat 5 times a day. Third rule is you have to control your portion. The fourth rule is you have to cut your sugar intake. The fifth rule is no to the packaged food. Now the last thing that I want to tell you, keep your body active. That is very very necessary. If you will not keep your body active, all 5 are not going to work. Okay, now how you can do, like suppose you are having a sedentary life, you do not do anything actually, like you have a job, 9 to 5 job or anything like that, you have to sit for a longer period. So you can start with the walking. That will also work for you in the beginning. So the 40 to 60 minute walk is must. Okay, after that is in a one go. It is not like that 10 minutes 10 minutes 5 minutes 5 minutes and we have done 40 minutes. That is not going to do anything with you. At least in one go you have to do a walk for 40 to 60 minutes. You can do exercises like Surya Namaskar. If you are doing the 11 sets of the Surya Namaskar, it is good for you. You can do yoga, any kind of physical exercise. If you love dancing, you can do dancing. Any kind of physical exercise will work for you, but you have to stay active. Okay, so this was all about the video. This was the basic plans or basic rules for my weight loss journey, and now I'm going to share all these rules with you. So please like, share and subscribe if you like my channel, if you like my video, and if you want to get to know more updates, I'll update with you few diet plans also. There are some myths about the weight loss, and there are some superfoods we are going to talk about in the later videos that may help you in the weight loss. So please stay fit, stay glowing, and like and subscribe.